Welcome back to Insider Financial. In this video, we will discuss the stocks on our radar. First, to get our market moving reports on top small caps, click that link in the description or go to insiderfinancial.com and sign up with your email. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Text is the fastest way to get all of our reports, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And after you sign up, you'll get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of our ebook, The Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks. Our ebook, text messaging service, and email are all free service from Insider Financial. We don't run any Telegram groups, Discords, or paid subscription services whatsoever. First, guys, an update from last week's Sunday night video watch list. DJT was our biggest winner of the week with a 53% gain last week. Trump's poll numbers have improved and the betting odds are in his favor right now. The election is just 3 weeks away. Congrats to all who banked in DJT. Regarding the overall market, the S&P 500 on Friday added 1.11% for the week to end at 58.15, posting gains in 3 out of 5 sessions. The benchmark index notched a 5-week win streak for the first time since May. It was also a historic week for the gauge as it crossed the 5,800 points level for the first time. The S&P 500 has now posted 45 record closes in 2024, which puts it at number 11 on the list of years with the most all-time high since 1954. Meanwhile, the blue chip Dow, a fellow major average, powered to a new intraday record high this week and is closing in on the 43,000 level. Despite Middle East escalation concerns, a hotter than anticipated consumer inflation report, and a recalibration of Federal Reserve interest rate cut expectations, markets have continued to march higher. Some of this can be attributed to favorable reactions to quarterly results from big banks, but the story last week has largely been traders' resilience to negative developments. U.S. stocks started the week on a negative note as continued fighting between Israel and Iran-backed Hezbollah stoked Middle East jitters, but then there was a reversal on Tuesday as sliding oil prices provided some relief. The Fed grabbed the spotlight on Wednesday after the publication of the September Monetary Policy Committee meeting minutes, one where the central bank delivered a half-point interest rate cut to kick off an easing cycle for the first time since the COVID-19 pandemic. The minutes showed that a substantial majority of policymakers backed the big 50 basis point rate cut. On Thursday, the CPI for September came in hotter than anticipated on a month-over-month basis for both the headline and core figures. The data underscored that inflation risks still remain a concern. Countering the hot CPI report were cooler than expected PPI numbers on Friday. JP Morgan and Wells Fargo were standout stocks on Friday, advancing more than 4% and 5% respectively. Both lenders reported a decline in net income and net interest income, but they beat profit estimates. This week, the earnings season picks up a notch with several high-profile names scheduled to report their results. On Monday, we're getting some Fed speak. Federal Reserve Board Governor Christopher Waller will speak on the economic outlook at 3 p.m. On Tuesday, notable companies due to report include Charles Schwab, United Health Group, Johnson & Johnson, Bank of America, Goldman Sachs, Citigroup, Rio Tinto, PNC Financial, State Street, Walgreens, Boots Alliance, and United Airlines. Options trading implies a 7% swing in share price for Albertsons companies, ACI, as traders eye the pending merger with Kroger. Notable investor events include Charles Schwab's business update call and appearances by CAPR Therapeutics, CAPR. That's been a big winner for us here this month. CAPR, we've been covering it a lot on this channel. You can go and check out all of our videos. CAPR, I was talked about this one last week. This was the biggest winner the previous week. DJT last week. The week before that was CAPR. It was up 117%, and we were covering that here on the channel. Ocugen, OCGN, and Vivani Medical at the 3-day Maxim Healthcare Summit. 11:30 a.m. This is on Tuesday. San Francisco Federal Reserve Bank President Mary Daly will speak and participate in a moderated conversation event hosted by the NYU Stern School of Business. Wednesday, notable companies due to report include Abbott Labs, Morgan Stanley, U.S. Bancorp, CSX, and Discover Financial. Options trading implies a large swing in share price for Alcoa after it releases its report. So, guys, what I'm doing is I'm giving you the highlights of what's going on, what's going to happen this week, and then you can go and decide, well, how do I want to play this? If you want to play it, if you want to do some options trades, betting on the earnings, good or bad, or if you want to wait and then play it accordingly. This way you know what the major news events of that day are, and that is what's going to drive stock prices. Again, it's all about we're trying to find catalysts and ride the wave, based on those catalysts. Thursday, notable companies due to report include Netflix, NFLX. This is always a big mover on earnings. Blackstone, Travelers, and KeyCorp. 8:15 a.m. This is Thursday. The European Central Bank will make its monetary policy statement. The ECB is expected to cut benchmark interest rates by 25 basis points. And then 8:30 a.m. the September retail sales report will be released. Economists expect core retail sales to be up 0.4% month over month. A strong retail sales print could reset expectations for the FOMC meeting in November. Friday, notable companies due to report include Procter & Gamble, American Express, and Regions Financial. Options trading implies a large swing in share price for Ally Financial, ALLY, after it releases its report. 10 a.m. Minneapolis Fed Bank President Neil Kashkari is speaking. He always moves the markets. And then a couple of small caps to keep an eye on. CERS. Moon Market is talking about it this weekend. Might get a nice pump Monday. 7 million shares are short. Volume on Friday was just 1.3 million shares. AEHR beat earnings Friday. Strong price action on Friday. 19% of the float is short. So I'm going to be watching this one, see if we get some more follow through this week. And then lastly, as I do each and every trading day, I will be scanning the pre-market. If I see anything else, I will let subscribers know. That's why signing up is so important. And again, it's completely free. At Insider Financial, we put stocks on your radar with potential outsized moves. As I repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities in the markets daily. The important thing is identifying which stocks to invest in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We're looking for those momentum plays with catalysts. It's all about finding momentum before it happens and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here at Insider Financial. And to get our small cap reports, we cover low floats, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, lithium stocks, and insider buying. Click that link in the description or go to insiderfinancial.com and sign up with your email and mobile number. There is no spam and your info is never shared. You can unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up to see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial and unsubscribe. Remember, Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. It is our opinion meant for informational, educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for joining us today on Insider Financial. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to never miss the latest insights and strategies. Until next time, happy trading. Bye-bye.